Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so glad you are here with me today. I am Coach Yoann, and today it is Friday, April 28th, 2023. And let me show you what I did day trading options. Let's go. Okay guys, so you should be able to see my screen now. This is SPX on a 5-minute. If you've been following some of my videos lately, or actually not lately, since the beginning of this YouTube channel, about a year and a half ago now, I started to trade only SPX. I used to love trading Amazon and Google before they split their stock. People used to call me the guru of Amazon and Google because I was legit almost predicting the price action on those. I was really good at it. The reason why I became so good is because I was focusing on only those two. Then the split happened, and obviously with every single split, usually the stock doesn't trade really well after a split. Usually it's just shitty, to be honest with you. So that's why I do not stop trading it. Then I fell in love with SPX because as Amazon and Google pre-split, this is a heavy stock. It's an indice actually, but this is very heavy in the sense of it's $4,000, right? So I like that because with options, it might be more expensive. Therefore, you can incur more losses or bigger losses. But also, if it works well, you can go faster in other way as well, which is eventually make money. So this is SPX on a 5-minute here. The reason why I'm telling you this is because I'm focusing on SPX only because I love the way it moves. Although I think yesterday or the day before I did traded Tesla it's been a while. I haven't traded, probably over a year now. But yeah, for the past year and a half, I've been trading only most likely 99.9% of the time SPX. So let me show you what I did today. I put my arrows in already, and let me really explain to you why I entered that trade at that time. So as you can tell, let's go on a 15-minute here. Actually, let's go on a 4-hour, guys. All right, cool. So as you can tell, we have a huge uptrend yesterday, right? Boom here, boom here. That was insane. I don't know. I think we put in like 2%. I think like about $80 in a day. That was just absolutely insane. A beautiful day. I lost some money yesterday. I lost about 165 because I tried to how do you say, a short, sorry. I tried to short the end of the day, and it didn't work at all. So only 165. I was not happy about it, but I was okay because it was less than $200. So it's all right. Now, I saw this coming up today, obviously, and I saw that. So I zoom out and look left, right? That's my acronym, ZOLL, zoom out, ZOL, basically, zoom out, look left. So I always set you all my Monty, I think. Yeah, that's how you call it. So yeah, everybody that I subscribe to my mentorship or that I coach, I basically tell them ZOLL. Take note of that, zoom out, look left. And this is what you see. Boom, boom, boom. To me, that's called resistance, right? There is something there. There is sellers, there is an algorithm, there is supply. You call it whatever you want to call it. I don't care if you follow, Joe Schmo and he tells you that this is absolutely supply. Or even if he calls it demand, I don't care. Or, to me, you call it whatever, it's fine. The purpose, if you call it supply or demand or resistance or algorithm or sellers or wall or whatever you want, we obviously try to mean the same thing here. We're going into something that we're going to have a hard time to go through. Therefore, when I saw that, I was like, with that huge uptrend yesterday, they're going to pull the rug. I just know it. They're going to pull the rug. And as a matter of fact, if you just watch yesterday's video, I did, so I'm going to post this tomorrow because I'm a day after. So yeah, yesterday, correct. So yesterday video on Friday, which was recorded Thursday when I traded, you will understand that in that video I said we are due for a pull rug. We're gonna end up even red today, or something's gonna happen, but we're gonna pull the rug. Pulling the rug means that buyers are here, and suddenly algorithm or sellers or Wall Street or market makers or supply, whatever you want to call it, pull the rug, and then suddenly everybody sells, or an algorithm come in, hedge funds start to short, whatever you want to call it once again, and then we fall down. And this is exactly what I was thinking for today. So I saw that and I was like, we're gonna eventually have a hard time. Therefore, what I did is I started to scale in slowly but surely inside that trade here. So let me show you. It's going to 5. All right, so boom, went up, and I'm like, wow, uptrend. And now I zoom out, look left, look at all what I just explained to you, and I'm like, we're gonna pull the rug. I'm entering in short. So what does this mean? It means that I'm counter trend trading. So we're going up, and as we're going up, I'm buying to go lower, right? So it's very interesting and confusing, if I may say, also for the brain and for the human being to do so, because if you go up, you think we're gonna keep going higher, and it's hard for you to understand how eventually we're gonna reverse down. But if we do reverse down and you're already there buying at the top, I'm not trying to call a top, I'm just saying like we're due for a little pull or like a reverse or rejection, your contract is gonna just explode in your way, and it's gonna be beautiful. And indeed, this is what happened here. So I enter here about 1. Let's go on 1 minute actually. Oops, that's the 3. Yeah, 1 is better because you can see what I did. All right. So I saw the little rejection here, and I'm like, oh, it's starting already. I don't want to miss it. Honestly, I thought that this will eventually happen here. It did not. I was fine. And then we continue higher, so I bought it a little bit more. And then as we go, we went higher. And this is exactly where on the 4 hours is the rejection. Let's see. Look at that. That's exactly here. You see that? So now we're a little bit higher because it's almost 10 a.m. my time, so 1 p.m. Eastern time. But we were here, okay? And look at what happened here. Boom, rejection. Boom, rejection. And I'm like, there is no way we can, right? But because of what happened yesterday, I don't think we're gonna just, gap above it and go explode up. I think we're gonna have a rejection, consolidation, eventually go higher. It's exactly what happened. So look at this. We went, so we started to have a hard time here. Then we went back higher. I should have honestly entered everything here, but I want to scale in. Boom, this one happened here, and I entered. That was my last one. If we were going higher here, I would have cut. I would have been done. Take my losses and then walk away, sad, and learning lesson for me to start again on Monday. But honestly, we didn't. So went back here, went back up a little bit, could not cross that, and then flush down. Boom. Right there on just that flush here, I was up $1,000. Then went back up and then flushed down again. Oh, excuse me, not here. I was up $200 here, but I was down $1,000 here. I cut 1, so I had 3. Let's take a look at it. I had 3. The first one I bought was 920, went back up a little bit. I bought really close, like a minute later at 840, and then 5 minutes later I bought at 740, my last one. And that's when we started to reverse. The first one we reversed here, I sold at 1190. Boom. Over here, right? I think I made $300 on this one. And then we reversed again. And I'm like, I'm cutting only if we go above that. And I'll take my loss, and this is what it is. We never went above it. Went back up here. You see that? Over here, boom. You see that? I enter right here, right? We never went above that. Never went above it. Went back here. Now I'm losing money. Now I'm down, I think, $160. And I'm like, I don't care because we're gonna reverse it. And then boom, they reverse it. And when they reverse it, my friend, I legit, and like, let me show you the 15 this time. That's a 15, I'm on a 5. And this is where that beautifully cut. So right here at the bottom of that candle right there. And that was beautiful because actually that was the 1390. So this one, 750. Oh, the same thing. 758 and 7. Look at how in 35 sec. That's why I put only one candle, one arrow, because I had 3, but I cut the first one as you saw over here. And then the second one, I almost cut them at the same time, just at 30 seconds, close. But look at this. I closed one at 758.00, right? For 1240, 35 seconds later, it's at 1390. Right, so we were going down, and if you've been following some of my videos, I always say that cutting in strength is the best because you don't want to wait until we bottom and all that stuff. So I just cut the last one in strength, and doesn't matter. It went up to $18, then reversed and never went back. Look at this. This is happening right now. 41.50 is the one I had. They are right now at 175. Crazy, the power options, right? So why? Because we went higher and higher. Now, was I expecting this to go higher? Honestly, no. I honestly thought we will pull the rug entirely today and go lower. But I'm not greedy. I don't care if we'll go to 0. I mean, that would have been making me sad because I would have made, a generational wealth in that trade if we went to 0. But obviously, let's be realistic here. So it's a joke, guys. We're not going to 0. It's like the economy will implode. All right. So, but yeah. So long story short, here we went to $18 and then reversed, and now we're at 150 for the exact same contract I had, 41.50 puts. So once again, I bought 41.50 at 9.20, then another one at 8.40, and then the last one at 7.40. When I sold the first one, I don't know what my average is exactly, but when I sold the first one after that, I know that my average was 8.33. I know that because I only had 2 left, and then I sold it for 12.40 and 13.90, so that was beautiful. 37 minutes total for that trade from 7.21 to 7.58. Now, that's about 52% gains on that specific trade. Total for the day, $1,320. Super excited, super happy. And now I don't care if we go down to 0 or if we go up. I'm pretty happy, honestly, that I cut here, reversed after that. Here was actually a beautiful entry to go long, obviously, but very risky because to me it was kind of like a small rug pull. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to go on countryone.com. Book your free one-on-one with me. It's free. Let's go. What are you waiting for? We can talk about mindset. We can talk about trading, technical analysis, fundamentals. I'm passionate about this, and I'm passionate about fitness. I'm happy to help you out with fitness as well. So book it. Let's talk about it, and then let's see if we are fit for each other. If you want to be my mentee, I can be your mentor, or not, and we can just keep it cool and keep it going, and you can still continue to watch my video. Talking about video, please like, subscribe, and share that video if you like. What else? That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great weekend. It is Friday today, so be safe out there. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday. See you. Bye bye. And thanks for watching.